There grows the neighborhood. When they die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's best, where I go when I die, going up to the spirit in the sky. Prepare yourself, you know it's a must. You gotta have a friend in Jesus. 'Cause where we're going when we die is gonna recommend you to the spirit in the sky. The best. All right. Let's do something weird, shall we? Let's put our hands together again. I like that. Now we're going to participate in what I like to think of as the practice of giving and receiving. We are all worthy of doing both. Now I want you to take this self-inflicted high five and I want you to shine it upon us and everybody else in this festival and everybody watching at home in the form of some high fives like this when I say good job. Okay, you ready? I want to see all the hands now. Good job! Throw your hands in the sky like that. Very nice. Now bring them way down low. Bring them down low. Give me the low dough. It's the practice of receiving. Now bring them back again. And give me that high 10. All right, now these are the 3 complicated dance moves required for this portion of our show. If you don't think you can keep up with these moves, well, you need to pinch yourself and say, yo, don't let your mind stop you from having a good time. I got the dynamo of volition, the pop pole position on a matter transmission with the O emissions. I'm a brand new addition to the old edition with the love unconditional. And I'm a drama abolitionist, damn no opposition to my proposition. Have a man, half magician, have a politician holding the mic like ammunition. In my vision is as simple as light. Ain't no reason we should be in a fight, no demolition. Get the book, get to say what you like. Food creation, compositions already written by themselves. Heavens full of people not believing in God. Good job, get on my way high, give me that high five. A good time, get on way down low, go, give me that low dough. A good job, bring it back again, go, give me that high 10. You're the best definition of good.